If you are about to start your career in data science, there must be a question in your mind. Which programming language should you learn which can give you a competitive edge over others? C++, R, Java, Python? Well, look no further. My name is Ananya, and in today's video, we are going to talk about why you should learn Python in 2021. Python is an object-oriented, open-source, adaptable, and simple-to-learn programming language. It has a rich arrangement of libraries and tools that makes the assignment simple for data scientists. Apart from the fact that it is easy to use, it is even easier to learn. Python additionally gives a lot of data mining tools that help in better handling of data. For example, RapidMiner, Weka, Orange, and so on. Python is also a programming language that scales very fast. Among every other programming language, Python is the leader in scaling. Simply put, this means that Python has more and more possibilities. Some of the key places where Python could be used involve web development, automating reports, finance and business, computing of numeric and logical data, and even in creating simulations. The number of dedicated analytical libraries available for Python means that data scientists in every sector will find packages already tailored to their needs freely available for download. Due to Python's extensibility and universally useful nature, it is unavoidable as somebody would inevitably begin utilizing it for data analysis. Python also has a huge community base which can be extremely important and useful for you. Python developers can impart their issues and thoughts to the community on websites such as python.org, fullstackpython.com, realpython.com, etc. Finally, Python is a unique language that has powerful growth and opens multiple career opportunities for data scientists. If you learn Python, you can consider multiple additional jobs you might want to take in the future. These include Python developer, product manager, financial advisor, educator, and data journalist. Python in data science has empowered the data scientists to accomplish more in less time. It is an adaptable programming language that can be effectively understood and is exceptionally amazing as well. You can join our data science course to start your journey as a data scientist today. For more information, keep following us on Board Infinity.